be, I hope, a short intro, but I wanted to come on in here and say welcome to the new channel. I have been getting asked so many questions in my real day-to-day life about how I take care of her hair. You know, the products that I use, like how I do certain styles, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is the first video. I did a little hairstyle that's actually kind of like it's our go-to hairstyle when I don't want to do something that takes a whole lot of time. It lasts a decent amount of time. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you do, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any questions about like the products that I use, or like you want specific like how-to videos on styling, or like, you know, whatever, let me know down below, and I will make sure that they are on my list of videos to record. But yeah, we will talk to you guys in the next one.
Bye.
So what I'm gonna do to start is just section her hair above her ear. Before I started recording this video, I put in some leave-in conditioner and I detangled her hair. I didn't include any footage of like what products I was using because I'm planning on doing a separate video of all the products that I use most frequently in her hair. So watch out for that one because it will be coming next after this video. Now what I'm going to do is tie off the top of her hair so it does not get in the way, and for that bottom section I'm just going to split it in half so that one section turns into two. So now what I'm going to do is use some gel just to smooth down the edges of the sections, and I'm going to tie them off at the base. The next section I take is going to be right above her ear, and it's going to go on the side of her head. So she has a natural part where I'm parting right now, and so I just kind of follow that line, but you can do it wherever you want. Really, this hairstyle is so versatile that you can do whatever parts you want to do. So I'm just parting right where her natural part is anyway, and then I'm going to go down, and it's going to be like a little bit behind her ear when I section it off. So once again, I'm just using the gel to smooth out the edges and stuff down, and then tying it off at the base. So like I said, this hairstyle is super versatile. You can do whatever parting you want and whatever sections you want to do, however many. I ended up with 5 different parts. So now all I'm going to do is take the top sections and tie those off. So what I'm going to do is take one section at a time, and I'm going to split each section in half, and I'm going to braid each half of the section. So basically each big parting that I made is going to turn into 2 different braids. So all I'm doing here is splitting the hair into 3 separate parts and braiding. Now this hairstyle is super cute with whatever you want to do with it, which is why I love it so much. You can just tie it off at the ends, you can add beads like I did, or you can add like little bows, or whatever you want to do. Like I said, I put beads because it's basically the only accessory that we have for her hair right now, but I absolutely love how versatile this hairstyle is, and it works for basically any like level of thickness of hair or any type of hair that the child might have. So once I have braided all of the sections, all I'm going to do is go ahead and lay down her baby edges with more of the gel that I use. And I'm going to use an old toothbrush to comb them into place, basically. And then at the back of her hair, obviously, I'm just trying to make it look a little bit neater. So I'm combing all the little baby hairs up so that they look like they're in the ponytail. And this is the finished look. It's super cute, super easy. I love it. And like I said, it's super versatile for basically any type of hair and any length of hair. I've been doing this on her for years now. So yeah, I hope you like it, and go ahead and subscribe if you did. Thanks for watching.